Hey guys, Community G's Life here. I just got done walking really quick. If it's your first time here, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Before I wrap up my walk, I stopped here real quick to see what's going on with the collective, to do an end of August reading since I've done enough August reads for the collective. I think we know pretty much what's going on with you and your person right now. For the month of August. Whew, it's hot, dang. Or you know where you're at with your relationship. So let's just see what's coming up for every sign. Whew, dang. For every sign in love. So let's just go down the line. The Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, the dogs was just barking. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and water signs. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and fire signs. So let's see for the month of September. Let's start with Capricorn. Archangel Michael, please protect me as I do this reading for the collective. Real quick, out in nature. I wanted to step out in nature with you guys. Nature. Okay. Anyways, so this is the ancestors of the highest white light. What's coming up for the collective for Capricorn? Capricorn. Ooh, it's hot. What's coming up for Capricorn, the collective Capricorn, for the month of September? Capricorn. I'm gonna use which tarot deck is this? The Light Seers tarot. What's coming up for Capricorn for the month of September 2021 for love? Capricorn, September 2021. Capricorn. What's coming up for Capricorn in love? Capricorn in love. What's coming at Capricorn? Oh, okay. 3 cards. Capricorn, 3 cards pulled for you. Okay, Capricorn. The Two of Cups. We got the Two of Cups. Capricorn, okay. We got the Ace of Cups. Ooh, Capricorn. What's going on, Cappy Caps? Two of Cups and the Ace of Cups. So I'm thinking you have some maybe new love. I don't know. But somebody's in the 8 of Swords too. Somebody, Capricorn, if somebody is heartbroken right now at the bottom of the deck over a situation, if somebody's in the 6 of Swords at the back of the deck, over three of Pentacles, somebody, maybe a family situation, maybe you breaking up with somebody, or you broke up with somebody, or you found out about something. Ace of Wands. The Death and Rebirth. And you standing it looks like you standing your ground here. A decision was made, and clarify this 8 of Swords. I'll pull one more. 8 of Swords. Ooh, the Magician in reverse. Boom. Looks like somebody was trying to pull a quick one on you. Ooh, how's the Empress in reverse? Ooh, looked like somebody was trying to pull a quick one on you. Pull a quick one on you. Clarify this Empress in reverse. For Capricorn. Clarify this Empress in reverse. Clarify this Empress in reverse for Capricorn. Clarify this Empress in reverse. Ooh. Oh, but you a hermit. It looks like you walked away over somebody some money was lost. Somebody was September? This is September. Capricorn. But at the back of the deck, we got the 9 of Cups. So somebody's crying over some spilt cups, and you went into hermit mode. Maybe you lost some money dealing with somebody. Maybe a family situation. You lost out on some money, and you was like, I ain't dealing with this no more. I can't keep putting myself through this. And you walked away. Maybe a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Capricorn. That's a Hermit. Virgo energy. too. Yeah. Capricorn. Magician too is over here. Ooh. So, how's this turning out for Capricorn this September? How's this turning out for Capricorn this September? How's this turning out? We got Aquarius energy, the star. There's hope here. Death and rebirth right here. Yeah. Capricorn, it looks like you just, you walked away. And somebody is sick over it. They in the 9 of Swords. They sick. Sick. Yeah. Look at you. Got your back turned to this. You found the strength. And you balancing out your money. You took your bags. You was like, this is too much. I gotta go. Looks like a King of Pentacles. This might be a King of Pentacles for this. Ooh, Queen of Pentacles right there too. Clarify the star. Is this the Queen of Pentacles or the King of Pentacles? Ooh, 6 of Wands. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. 6 of Wands. You going to Queen of Pentacles. Okay, Capricorn. And we got the World card at the back. I'm going to leave it there. Moving on. Okay, Capricorn. You said I'm reclaiming my energy. I can't deal with this person anymore. That's what's coming up in September for you. Okay. Capricorn, Taurus. What's coming up for Taurus? Okay, Taurus. Taurus, we got Judgment in reverse. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Libra and energy, reverse. And we got the Chariot at the bottom. Cancer energy. Ooh, maybe somebody's going to jail. Taurus, is somebody going to jail? At the back, we got the 10 of Cups situation. Yeah. Clarify this judgment for Taurus in September. Clarify this judgment in reverse for Taurus. Clarify judgment in reverse. Ooh, what is this? 4 of Swords. Yeah. Maybe you're dealing with a Libra. Yeah. Heartbreaker. Soulshaker. Look, 6 of Pentacles. Bottom. Taurus. 7 of Wands. Clarify the 4 of Swords for September. Clarify the 4 of Swords for Taurus. Taurus and love in September. Taurus for love in September. Taurus for love in September. 3 of Wands. Look, you got your back turned to this. Taurus. Looks like somebody may have broken your heart. They had your heart on a string. 6 of Pentacles again at the bottom. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. That's you. 7 of Wands again at the back. This looks like you trying to find your strength here, Taurus. Clarify this 3 of Wands for love for Taurus. September 2021, Taurus. Give me a couple more. September 2021, Taurus. Okay, I think this is the spread right here, Taurus. 6 of Wands, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Yeah. We are in the season of Leo. The star, Aquarian energy. Taurus, okay. Taurus, you coming back. 2 of Cups. And the moon energy. Something's being hidden. Oh, Taurus. Look, but Taurus, the bottom of the deck, we got the Knight of Cups. You know, the Knight, he comes in with some flowers and roses, but, you know, he could be deceiving. That moon energy is here, Taurus. And at the back, but Taurus is like, no, I got the High Priestess here on my side. So that's what's coming up for you, Taurus, in September. Be careful, Taurus. Okay, that's what Taurus. Virgo. What's coming up for... Ooh, Virgo. Devil tried to jump out. What's coming up for Virgo in September 2021? Virgo. Okay, Virgo, you working on your pentacles? Virgo's like, I'm working on my money. We got the 5 of Wands, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Maybe that's who you're dealing with, Virgo. And somebody is in the 5 of Swords. Virgo. We got the Hierophant at the back. Taurus. Clarify this 5 of Wands for love for Virgo, September 2021. Virgo, clarify the 5 of Wands. Yeah. We got the King of Cups, Virgo. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And they crying over spilt milk. 4 Cups. They're crying. Virgo, they crying. Yeah. They want to fight for this. 7 of Swords. They in the 7 of Swords, Virgo. Yeah. Virgo's got their back turned. Virgo is not paying attention to none of this over here. Clarify this 4 of Cups for love for Virgo. September 2021, Virgo. Love. Virgo September. Queen of Swords try to jump. Love. Yep, there she goes. Look, you might be dealing with somebody that's a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Virgo, that has a lot of water in their chart, Cancer in their chart. Ooh, look, Virgo, and there was a Queen of Pentacles here. But that's you. Virgo said, nope, that's you, Virgo. Yeah, you building your money. And something in the moon energy's at the back. You know something's up, Virgo. Virgo. I think you're on the right track here, Virgo. 5 of Pentacles. Clarify this Queen of Swords for Virgo. You went into hermit mode. Magician at the back. Virgo said, I don't have time for this. 9 of Wands. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Leo. Yeah, it's a heavy burden. Virgo said, I don't have time for this. You made the decision. You said, I don't have time. Virgo's working on money. Virgo don't have time. Someone wanted, maybe there was fighting going on, or someone wanted to fight for this, so you said, I don't have time for this. Look at Virgo. Libra, September 2021. Ooh, Libra. Ace of Wands in reverse. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Some clarities come out here. We got the Sun, Leo energy at the bottom of the deck. Libra, September 2021. Clarify the Ace of Wands, September 2021. Love. Libra, Page of Wands, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with a Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius, Libra. 7 of Cups. Maybe you lost some money. Libra might be dealing with the Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius. And 9 of Wands. It's a heavy burden. Maybe that Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius that Libra is dealing with is a heavy burden. Look. Or they're dealing, and they want a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Clarify this Page of Wands. Clarify the Libra, September 2021. September 2021, Libra. Libra. Ooh, look at that. Queen of Cups trying to pop. Yeah. 7 of Wands. They're trying to find the great, Libra's trying to find the great inner strength to maybe leave a situation. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Yeah. Look, stressed out. Worry, anxiety, just can't even deal with the mess. Look, because they want a 3 of Cups situation with the water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. They want to, they're coming to some, clarify the 7 of Wands. I don't know, clarify it. Maybe, are they in a family situation? King of Cups, yeah. Maybe the King of Cups with a water sign. Libra. Ooh, 5 of Wands. There's probably some fighting going on here. Woo, excuse me. Fighting going on here. Where am I little thingy? No, but I do got my bug spray. Let me make a shield around me. Some fighting going on here. 10 of Cups. Yep. There might be a family situation. Libra, September. Dang, the World card. Look. Got you in the 2 of Swords. Just clarify this. The world. Libra might be packing up and leaving. It's a heavy burden. Like, I gotta pack up and I gotta leave. And you got a lot of burdens. You got a lot going on. How is this gonna turn out for Libra September 20? Ooh, Judgment was in reverse. What? Judgment was in reverse, Libra? What is going on here? Ooh, you under judgment. I just put Judgment was sitting there in reverse. How's this gonna turn out for Libra September 2020? Ooh, Libra's dealing with the Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Queen of Pentacles. Libra's dealing with a couple of people here. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Libra, we got a King of Pentacles and a King of Cups here. The Strength card, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Yeah, there might be a baby here. Ooh. In the Three of Cups situation. Ooh. Yeah. Queen of Swords right here, Libra. Queen of Swords, they have it. Ooh, she found out, I think. Tower at the back. Clarify this King of Pentacles. Clarify this King of Pentacles. Ooh. The Devil. You can't be the King of Pentacles and the King of Cups. You're dealing with the freaking Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. Yeah. The Emperor. Look. Nine of Cups. Clarify this Strength card, this Leo. Clarify this Strength card. Clarify the Strength card. Libra, September 2021. The King of Swords. I think a Libra man or woman is figuring out that they don't want to be with this Leo. Leo, the world's right here. Yeah, they might have a baby with this Leo. Seven of Cups. Trying to figure out something, how to get out of this situation. Clarify this Queen of Pentacles. The Judgment is right there still. Clarify this Queen of Pentacles. I don't even know how they got in reverse. Clarify this Queen of Pentacles. Clarify this Queen of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Done lost some money. Done lost some money dealing. Yeah, done lost some money dealing with the Queen of Pentacles too. Nine of Cups. Tower still at the back of the deck. Clarify this Five of Pentacles. Ooh. Judgment at the bottom. Ace of Cups. Yeah, done lost some money. I think Libra wants to be with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And now you in the Eight of Swords. And there's some fighting going on because you done lost out on some money. And you under judgment. And you see your water sign walking the freak away. Eight of Cups. Taking their cups and leaving. Yeah, because the Ace plus 8, you only got one cup to offer. That's 9 cups. Yeah. Ooh, this fell on the ground. Hold on. The Sun in reverse. Oh my God, Leo in reverse. That's Leo energy in reverse. And they're in Hermit. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. That's what's going on for Libras. Whoa. Take it how it resonates. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm dealing with too many people. Queen of Pentacles, a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Okay. Leo, Libra, Gemini. Gemini, September 2021. Gemini, you got a Queen of Swords. Libra, Gemini, a Queen. Libra. That's you. Is that you, Gemini? Air signs. Yeah. Over a family situation, Gemini. Seven of Swords. Clarify this Queen of Swords for Gemini. September. Knight of Wands. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Somebody's trying to come in. Maybe somebody's going to jail. Chariot energy. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Cancer. The Chariot. Clarify this night. Gemini. September 2021. Love. Gemini. The Magician tried to pop. September 21 is love. Gemini. Gemini. Queen of Swords. The Sun. Leo energy. Somebody's under judgment. The World card. Oh my God. We got too much going on. We got the Sun and the World. Eight of Swords at the bottom. Yeah, a family situation back here. Clarify this World card. Gemini. Oh my God. Two of Swords. Somebody was trying to hide something from you. Maybe you found out about the Queen of Pentacles. Gemini, you found out about a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Clarify this judgment for Gemini. Clarify this judgment for Gemini. Queen of Wands. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We got the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Swords. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. They was keeping it from you. Death and rebirth. Gemini, maybe you found your worth. and your heart was broken over this, and you walking away. Maybe you were dealing with the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Gemini. So how's this going to turn out for Gemini? How's this going to turn out for Gemini, September 2021? Justice. You going to get your Libran energy. 6 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. You walking away? King of Cups. Maybe, oh, I don't know, Gemini, let me know. Look. Yeah. Gemini, maybe you gonna come into union. I don't know. Or maybe you, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Justice. Death and rebirth. Maybe this water sign found the strength to walk away from a family situation that comes towards you, Gemini. I don't know. Yeah, 7 of Wands. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Ace of Wands, or maybe you found the strength to walk away from a situation. Give me clarification on this Justice for Gemini. Looks like somebody's still trying to figure out how to get out of a family situation. And they got a decision to make with the Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. So you might be getting some justice here, Gemini. I don't know. Okay, next. Gemini. Libra, Gemini. Aquarius, September 2021. Aquarius, September 2021. The Lovers. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gemini energy. The Lovers. Something's being hidden, Aquarius. The Moon energy. King of Swords at the back. Aquarius, September 2021. Aquarius. Ooh, Ace of Swords. Aquarius, September 2021. King of Wands. Leo energy. Knight of Cups. Aquarius. Oh, this King of Wands is trying to come in as the Knight of Cups. But you the High Priestess, Aquarius. Ace of Swords. You like, hell no. Aquarius ain't having it. What's Aquarius? Clarify this for Aquarius, September 2021. Somebody's under judgment. Knight of Wands. Yeah, somebody's trying to come in with the fire desire. Clarify this Knight of Wands for Aquarius. Aquarius said, screw this. No. Oh my God. Yeah, 3 of Swords in reverse. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. That's you. Your heart is, maybe your heart is broken over this. 3 of Wands. Aquarius got their back turned. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with somebody with that. Tower. Somebody trying to be the magician. King of Swords at the back. Aquarius said, screw this. Aquarius said, screw that. Okay, last round. Leo, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Leo. Oh, kids, wait. Aquarius. Since it's dark, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 in my car. Hold on. Let's walk to the car. I'm gonna walk to the car. Y'all, bear with me. We're gonna walk to the car real quick. I found some feathers. There's still people out here walking. And I'll finish this in the car right quick. Even though I got a gun, we still gotta be safe. We can't be ignorant. And we don't ever want to shoot nobody. But we will if we have to. Know that. Whew. And my phone's gonna die anyways. It wasn't gonna last. I'm just now looking at that. I can't deal with these bugs either. Yeah, I still have to do Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Yep. That's what I gotta do. Almost there, guys. Just a couple more minutes. Ooh. My dad would kill me if he knew I was out here right now. There's hella cars out here, and there's hella people out here, so that's not even concerned. Whew. Okay. Whew. And there's houses right there. Please don't pull the trigger. I'll pull it. I'll pull it. Woo! Oh, they're getting out of church. Ooh, sorry I'm breathing on hard, y'all. Oh, God. That cardio, though. And I'm ready to take these tennis shoes off and put my sandals back. Ugh. I'm over it. But I try to get my walking in every day, no matter what. Some things had me preoccupied today that I had to handle. Business. Ignorance, really. Okay, here we are. Can't let my phone die. Okay. Whew. How many feathers did I find? 3? 3 feathers today, guys. Whew. Gee. Alright. Let's do this. Ooh, I need some AC, like stat. Oh my God. Oh. Dang. Oh my goodness. Sweating like a motherfucker. Okay. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. Ooh, I gotta stretch. Hold on. Ooh, hold on. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Ooh. Woo, okay. Okay. All right. Woo, Jesus. All right. Okay. Let me turn my car on. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Woo. Woo. Oh, Jesus. Okay.